Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the disadvantages of Unix operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Disadvantages of Unix operating system. While Unix-like operating systems have many advantages, they have also some disadvantages. Here are some common disadvantages associated with Unix operating systems. Number 1, step learning curve. Unix systems often have a steeper learning curve compared to other operating systems. The command line interface and complex file system hierarchy can be daunting for new users who are accustomed to graphical user interfaces or GUI. Number 2, lack of user-friendly interface. Unix systems primarily rely on command line interfaces, which can be challenging for users who prefer a visually intuitive interface. While there are graphical shells and window managers available, they may not be as polished or user-friendly as those in other operating systems. Number 3, compatibility issues. Unlike Unix-like operating systems can encounter compatibility issues with a certain hardware devices and software applications. Not all hardware manufacturers and software developers provide Unix-compatible drivers or version, which can limit the options available to users. Number 4, software availability. Although Unix systems have a wide range of software available, some specialized or industry-specific software may be less readily available compared to other operating systems like Windows. Users may need to rely on alternative software or workarounds for a certain task. Number 5, fragmentation and lack of standardization. Unix-like operating systems are available in various distributions, each with its own set of features, package managers, and configuration methods. This fragmentation can lead to compatibility issues and makes it harder to create software or solutions that work seamlessly across all Unix distributions. Number 6, limited gaming support. Unix operating systems have traditionally had limited support for gaming compared to other platforms like Windows. Although the situation has improved in recent years with the availability of more gaming options in platforms like Steam, the overall gaming library and support are still relatively small. Number 7, lack of official technical support. Unix operating systems typically rely on community support rather than official technical support. While vibrant communities exist and provide extensive help and resources, users may not have access to dedicated customer support or official documentation for specific issues they encounter. It's worth noting that many of these disadvantages can be mitigated or overcome with experience, third-party software solutions, and community support. Additionally, some disadvantages may not be relevant to all users depending on their specific needs and preference. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation and report about the disadvantages of Unix operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.